Points to be covered: valency and electronic configuration, isotopes, nuclear reactor. Valency and electronic configuration. The electron capacity of M shell is 2 into 3 into 3 is equal to 18. However, in argon there are only 8 electrons in the valence shell M. It means there are 8 electrons in the valence shell of the inert gases, that is an electron octet. From this it is understood that valency is 0 when the electron octet is complete. Electronic configuration of elements other than inert gases shows that they do not have electron octet or their octet are incomplete. In hydrogen, it can be said that its electron duplet is incomplete. Atom of an electron except inert gases have tendency to combine with other atoms, meaning that they have non-zero valency. You have seen from the formula of molecules found by the combination with hydrogen, for example H2, HCl, that valency of hydrogen is 1. The electronic configuration of hydrogen showed there is only one electron less than the complete duplet state. So here is the nucleus of the hydrogen, here is the K shell or the valence shell you can say, and only one electron is there. And for duplet state, this is a nucleus, you require 2 electrons in the outermost shell. This number 1 matches with the valency of hydrogen, which is also 1. Moreover, it is learned that electronic configuration of sodium, that is 281, has 1 electron in the valence shell, and the valency of sodium is also 1 as seen from the molecular formula NaCl, NaH, etc. It means there is some relation between valency of elements and the number of electrons in the valence shell. Isotopes. We'll see first with the example. Here you can see C12, that is carbon 12. Here the 6 neutron you can see and 6 proton. Then you can see in C13, that is carbon 13, 7 neutrons and 6 protons. And C14, that is carbon 14, 8 neutrons and 6 protons. So here if you try to see, the neutrons is changing. Okay, so it is called as isotopes. The atomic number is a fundamental property of an element and its chemical identity. Some elements in nature have atoms with same atomic number but different mass number. Such atom of an same element having different mass number are called isotopes. For example, carbon has 3 isotopes, namely C12, C13, C14. The isotopes have same protons number but different neutron number. Uses of isotopes. Isotopes of some elements are radioactive. They are used in various fields such as industry, agriculture, medicine, research field. First one is uranium-235 is used for nuclear fission and production of electricity. Some radioactive isotopes like cobalt-60 are used in medical treatments of fatal diseases like cancer. Iodine-131 is used in treatment of goiter and disease of thyroid gland. Radioactive isotopes are used for detection of cracks, leakage in the underground pipes, example sodium-24. Radioactive isotopes are used for food preservation of microbes. Radioactive isotope C14 is used for determining age of archaeological object. Nuclear reactor. The picture you can see is of Bhabha Atomic Research Center, Mumbai. Nuclear reactor is a machine that generates electricity on large scale by using atomic energy. In nuclear reactor, the nuclear energy in atom is released by bringing about nuclear reaction on the nuclear fuel. Let us understand the nuclear reaction, for example, of nuclear fuel, namely uranium-235. On bombardment with slow speed of neutrons, the nucleus of isotopes of uranium-235 undergo nuclear fission to form nuclei of 2 different elements, krypton 92 and barium 141, and 2 to 3 neutrons. on decreasing the speed of the neutron by bringing about the fission of more uranium 235 nuclei. So if you see, the speed is decreased here, and you can see the fission is taking place of the uranium, and the end product you will see barium and krypton is given out here. In this way, the chain reaction of nuclear fission takes place. A large amount of nuclear energy is released during a chain reaction of fission. The chain reaction is kept under control to prevent probable explosion. To control the chain reaction in the nuclear reactor, it is necessary to decrease the speed and the number of neutrons. For this purpose, the following provision is made in the nuclear reactor. Moderator, graphite or heavy water is used as a moderator for reducing the speed of neutrons. Controller to reduce the number of neutrons by observing them. Rods of boron and cadmium, beryllium, etc. used as a controller. The heat produced in a fission process is taken out by using the water coolant. Water is transformed into steam. By means of this heat, turbines are driven and electricity is generated. In India, total 22 nuclear reactors in 8 places are functioning. Apsara at Bhabha Atomic Research Center in Mumbai is the first nuclear reactor in India which went critical on 4th August 1956. India has largest reserves of element thorium-232. Therefore, Indian scientists have developed a future plan for nuclear reactors based on production of isotope uranium-233 from thorium-232.